I will talk about how can you find your blocked list on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on privacy and safety here. So then you just switch into open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on blocked list. So then you just switch into open video here. And here in this list here, you will find here all blocked lists you have. Like you see here, I have no one, but if you have any of your blocked users, you will find them here in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.